Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, January 12, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2PM draw result ngayong Monday, January 12, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM draw result ngayong January 12, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, January 12, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for January 12, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of Monday, January 12, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.